so today the carbon fiber side vents, the fender vents, arrived in the mail today. There's a gentleman on some of the CTS forums, and I think he's on a couple of other apps too. I can't recall, OfferUp or something like that, that he's on as well. And great price, and it took a while to get them, but I'm glad I waited. He did an awesome job. The quality of them, they're nice and lightweight. If you guys taking off your original vents already, you know those things weigh like a ton. These are really nice, lightweight, really well made. They come with the 3M tape already installed, although I think I will add more up in there just to be on the safe side. Meaning up in this area, probably double it up so that it will, because it's concaved up in there, so I'll probably double it up in there so it's able to touch and create some type of contact just to be safer. But great job overall. I give him, 10 out of 10. I've already put it up against the side of the car in this section, and it was perfect fit as well. These are going to look awesome. So I've already removed the other old ones. I have a video out there how to remove it, so I'm going to segue this into that video, and then we'll come back and I'll show you me installing these. Okay, so go ahead, first hit that like button. Well, you don't have to hit the like button yet, wait till the end, but hit the subscribe button, because I've done a lot of other YouTube videos on working on my CTS coupe, and so you guys may find a lot of things that may help you out on your CTS coupe or sedan. And now go ahead and watch how I removed the old one, and we'll come back and I'll show you me installing this one. All right, so we're here at my 2013 CTS coupe, and I want to remove these vents on here to get ready to install some carbon fiber ones. They're not in yet, but I want to go ahead and get this all prepped and ready for when they do arrive. I've, did the painting. I've tried the blackout tape, and it just kept plastic dip. It's just been getting worse and worse. So I just want to go ahead and get these ugly things off of here, or how I made them ugly, and replace them out. So I thought I'll walk you guys through what I'm doing to change this out. First thing I'm doing, I have some fishing line that I'm going to use. Some people may choose to use a heat gun to heat up, because there's 2 clips up in here, and there's also the 3M tape up in there as well. For the 3M tape, I'm going to use the fishing line trick. Some of you might decide you want to use a heat gun to heat up the 3M tape, depending on the condition of your car, how quick you want it done. But first thing we're going to do, in my case, is the fishing line. And so let me get this all ready. So all you want to do is just take it, and let me get down to some new fishing line. I've already used this on some of the other badges I removed. You want to just get behind there and then just start working it through . I'm gonna try to protect the paint to some degree while I get behind here with my flathead and apply some outward pressure. You can hear the 3M tape releasing. You hear that pop? Alrighty. That would be, there's a tab over here. So that one was releasing. And there we go. All right, so here it is off. That was the tab from this side. The tab from that side broke off. You're still in there, so I'll push that on. Push that on out, and then I'll be able to clean this off. Next, I'm going to take my my eraser wheel, and I'm going to clean this up too. Again, you can do a heat gun to get that off of there. You probably can just rub your fingers back and forth like that too to get it off, or you can take your eraser wheel, and I'll show you guys the eraser wheel trick. Okay? All right, so this is the eraser wheel right here. So my drill, and it's great for removing like pinstripes, decals, 3M tape. When I had a G8 and I took the spoiler off the back of that, I had a lot of this tape back there. This helped make quick, easy work of that. So I was able to remove it off without damaging the tape, the paint. Again, to use at your own discretion, and all right, that's about it. All right, so now we're at the car, and this is the driver's side one, and as you can see, it will fit nicely right. Oops, let me flip it over. It is dependent upon which way you have it orientated. So once it's on there, it sits on there pretty good. So what I'm going to do is, we have 3M tape here and here, as it already comes from the gentleman who handmade these. And what I want to do, I want to have contact here and here as well. So since this is kind of concave down in there, I'm gonna put a layer in there and put another layer in there, but I don't want it too thick, whereas it's going to be a gap up on here. Right now when I put it on there, it lays perfectly. And so I want to try to put it on there so it lays perfectly like that, all right? So I'm gonna take my 3M tape, cut it up, and put it on there, and then let's see what it looks like. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to clean the area up with a bit of rubbing alcohol, and get it ready. And I'm debating on putting a layer on here first and then on the product. That's what I think I may do. I may cut and put it on here first. And then waste not, want not, I take the other side of that and I put it down here. in. I'm just going to do a test run just to see how is that setting. I think I will have some good contact there without putting it in there. Maybe not all. Maybe, I think I still will put some down in there. What I have here, I think I may run a thin layer right inside of here, just about there. Alright, see that? And I think the top one is fine though. I think it'll go like that. Once it's on there, it's on there. So I think I will go ahead and put a layer inside. Nice and deep down up in there. Good contact. And trim that off. All right, now what I'm going to do is start removing the tape. I hope you used real 3M. Some people use those generic 3Ms, and I don't know, I like the actual real 3M better. These stuff really do work. Just taking off any unnecessary excess out of there. I don't want anything to show through. I almost forgot about over here. I need to pull it off. It's kind of cool out here today. It's a cold day. I have my jacket on. And so for that, since it's not very warm out, normally with this 3M and where it's going to make contact with the car, I'll put my heat gun on there just to warm up the area a little bit. But I drove the car recently, so a lot of the engine heat is coming out of there, so I don't have to worry about that. So now just to make sure I'm putting it on the right way, because you only get one try. I think I have to flip it. I think that's the right way. And you only get one try, so you want to make sure to line it up good. All right. I think that was good. I think it was a good choice to put the 3M there and there as well. All right, so what do you think of that? I think that looks pretty good. It's good from a distance. Come around to the other side. Looks good there as well. All right. So if you guys like that, hit the like button and feel free to hit the subscribe button too, so you can see all the other videos I did working on my CTS coupe. Not just cosmetic, but also mechanically as well. All right, thanks for joining, guys.